Let's go over to Claude and let's tell it to make us some lyrics. They said I'd never make it. I ain't got what it takes, but I've been out here grinding. I do this for the stakes. Do this for the stakes. What? Look, they said I'd never make it. I ain't got what it takes,
but I've been out here grinding. I do this for all the stakes. I'm putting work in every day trying to find my escape, while they just sit around and run their mouth with all that hate.
Oh my God. That was crazy. I'm not even lying to you guys. This is a for real reaction right here. That was crazy. I feel like I literally just made a hit record. All right, guys, I'm about to show you the craziest AI tool you have ever seen. You could turn yourself into a rapper, a singer, a voiceover artist, anything. All you have to do is record your vocals, and then you could choose one of these people here, and it'll take your voice and it'll make it sound like one of these people here. So let's just take a look.
Right for you, I'll die for you, lie for you,
yeah.
Cry for you.
Okay, so if you want to be a rapper, if you want to be like Billie Eilish.
There's fate singing under the moon. You and me together.
All right, all you have to do is record your vocals and then you upload them, and it's going to change your voice into these people. The final results actually sound like you recorded something in a studio. I just used it one time. I was just messing around with it and the results were crazy, you guys. I'm serious. It was crazy. So we're going to make some songs today and I'm going to show you how insane this tool is, guys. Okay, and I'm just using my regular mic that I've been using on all my videos. Let's click on music. We're going to make some songs, you guys. You have a choice out of instrumental loops or full instrumental songs. I'm just going to click on the full instrumental song, and up here you have pop, hip hop and trap, R&B, dancehall, Caribbean, or trailers and tension. I'm going to go with hip hop and trap. So we could choose from these tracks here. I'm going to listen to some of these, and then I'm going to have Claude.AI, it's like ChatGPT. I'm going to have it write me some lyrics, and then I'm going to record something. Then we're going to convert our voice into one of those artists, and we're going to put it all together, and I'm going to show you the final result, the final song, and we're going to see how good this tool is. So this is the first one. Yeah. Okay, so that's trapped inside. Let's see what else is here. Nightfall. That one's a little bit too slow for me. This one's pretty cool. I like that one. All right, I'm going to download that one. All right, so I just click on download. All right, let's go over to Claude and let's tell it to make us some lyrics. Can you write me lyrics to a hip hop trap song that's about struggling to make it when everyone doubts you? I don't know why I put that, because I can't think of anything for what to make the song about, but whatever. They said I'd never make it. I ain't got what it takes, but I've been out here grinding. I do this for the stakes. Do this for the stakes. What? All right, well, there's the lyrics. I mean, I'm just gonna go with it, whatever. I don't feel like doing this a bunch of times, so let's just try this, okay? All right, I'm just gonna play the song and I'm gonna start recording. So look, they said I'd never make it. I ain't got what it takes, but I've been out here grinding. I do this for all the stakes. I'm putting work in every day trying to find my escape, while they just sit around and run their mouth with all that hate. All right, that's it. One take, Timmy, baby. Yes. Okay, yeah, it's safe to say that I will not be recording a platinum hit record anytime soon. However, we downloaded this song, right? We recorded our vocals just now. Now, let's go over to the voice converter, guys. It's time to make those vocals sound a lot better, because that was scary. My goodness. Okay, so as you can see, we can play it right here. They said I'd never make it. I ain't got what it takes. Okay, so that's what I just recorded. Right here, we can choose an artist, Nocturnal. He's a hip hop guy, right? You guys want to hear what it sounds like with this guy? Okay, forgot to choose the quality. Let me choose the quality. I'm going Ultra HQ, baby, because we need all the help that we can get. Let's convert that. Yeah, we need all the help that we can get, because I am definitely not a rapper, that's for sure. So let's hear what it sounds like.
They said I'd never make it. I ain't got what it takes.
Okay, that sounds pretty crazy. Oh my God, that sounds pretty cool. All right, so let's see, who else can we get? Who is Triple Threat? What is this? Triple Threat, this is hip hop, okay? Let's try him. Let's try him. Let's see if he him. Triple Threat, let's see what you got.
They said I'd never make it. I ain't got what it takes.
Very good, very good. Triple Threat, not bad. All right, we got our settings right. We got our AI converted vocals back. Now Triple Threat, hip hop, we are now Triple Threat. Okay, let's go ahead and download that, all right? Okay, now the last step is for me to put the vocals and the instrumental together, and we're gonna figure out how good this tool is. All right, guys, now we're back into CapCut here, and now let me add this in and add this in. Here's the vocals, and here is the actual track. Now I just gotta line them up. Okay, guys, I just got everything lined up and ready to go. Are y'all ready for the big reveal? I think you guys are gonna be blown away by the results. It transformed my vocals into a hit record. Y'all ready for this? Let's go.
But they said I'd never make it, I ain't got what it takes. But I've been out here grinding, I do this for all the stakes. I'm putting work in every day trying to find my escape, while they just sit around and run their mouth with all that hate. I'm on a mission, got my vision, I'ma get it. Ain't no one that can be stopping me, cause I am just too committed. I put my heart and soul in this music that I'm spitting. I'ma have the last laugh when I make a killing. They try to bring me down, but they don't understand my sound. I'ma keep on hustling and covering more ground. I ain't got no plan B, rap is my only plan now. I'ma make it happen, baby, and I'ma shut the whole town down. I'm starving and struggling, but I still got my hunger though. Y'all can keep on doubting, I'ma blow like thunder though. I keep my small circle, I just move with my day ones. We gon' come up together, been too real from that day one.
Oh my God. That was crazy. I'm not even lying to you guys. This is a for real reaction right here. That was crazy. I feel like I literally just made a hit record. Okay, dang. I am blown away by this AI tool. This is unbelievable. Guys, just to think that I recorded those vocals on like OBS. I'm just screen recording on OBS, and I just cut out all the other part of the video that I was recording, just used that vocal from OBS and converted it into that. And now look, that sounded like a real song on the radio as far as I'm concerned. I know I was like a little offbeat and everything, but I mean, I just got the lyrics from Vocs.AI right here. He just wrote me the lyrics just like that. I didn't even like look at them one time. You seen it? I did that live to you guys. So that's just, I'm blown away. You guys got to check out this tool. And if you're not like if you don't like music like that, you're not like into the, you know, rapping or singing or anything like that, they have those AI artists that are voiceover talents too. So it's not only for singing and making music, they got the voiceovers right here, or the podcasters. I mean, I feel like we should do another song. Maybe I'll do another song on another video or something, because that was just insane. I'm gonna do another video because I don't want to make this video too long. We're gonna do another video for this because this is just crazy, and maybe I'll even write the lyrics myself next time, and that way I can really make a good song, because that was just some straight AI lyrics. So if maybe I put a little time into it, I'll show you what it's really capable of. But that was insane. I'm blown away by this tool. You guys got to check it out. Like I said, you get access to everything for 7 days for free, and then after that it goes down to the 3 artists. But man, this is a crazy tool. You guys got to check this out. I'll leave the link in the description below, so don't worry, just click on the link and it'll bring you over here, and you guys can become rap stars just like I did. All right, I appreciate you guys watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.